What this is, that's the Schrader valve replacement tool. Do you know how to use it? This device has got two applications. Replacing the Schrader valve for repair or to take it out in order to increase the process time. You install it, you screw that on the system, press in this pin. You can pull it out, open it here, and you can take it out and replace the Schrader valve. You want to increase the diameter through which you pull the vacuum, because vacuum pulling, if the diameter is very small, it takes a lot of time. There's this pin in there. The diameter of the hose is reduced by 80%. If you take it out, you can increase the speed of pulling the vacuum. The other application is if you've got a very big system with a lot of refrigerant inside and you need to retrieve it and pull a vacuum. So you put that one on. This device has got two applications, either replacing the Schrader valve for repair or to take it out in order to increase the process time. And the same way, push it back in again, and then push it through . And reinstall the Schrader valve.
สนใจสินค้าติดต่อได้ที่บริษัทอ่างทองสากลจำกัดของเราค่ะที่เบอร์ 02-318-3555 หรือ LINE เฟซบุ๊กและ TikTok ในชื่อ @อ่างทอง Universal หรือ Facebook @Lepo Thailand